Okay, today I'm going to show you how to an Arduino controlled robot with remote control. So I'm going to make it go forward with the forward button and stop. I'm going to forward again and stop. Turn, fire the gun, fire the gun again, back. We're going to go forward again. Top is all controlled by the straightforward TV remote control. Fire the and there we go, simply controlled by Arduino remote control, and we've got a H-bridge driver there, and we've got around the back a Adafruit stand board. Fantastic.